Have you ever clicked on a link or tried to open a specific channel in Telegram only to be hit with a frustrating little pop-up telling you that the content can't be displayed because of sensitivity restrictions? It's super annoying, especially when you know there's nothing actually harmful there. Telegram has a built-in content filter designed to block sensitive material. But depending on your device and your App Store rules, managing or turning off that filter can feel like navigating a maze. Can you actually turn it off? And where the heck is the setting? Let's break it down step by step. All right, here is the first thing you need to know. You usually cannot turn off sensitive content filters directly inside the mobile app settings on iOS or Android. Apple and Google have strict App Store guidelines, so those toggle switches are hidden away on the web version. All right, let's look at the mechanics. Just like on mobile, Telegram keeps the main sensitive content toggle tucked away outside the native desktop app installation because of App Store and platform guidelines. If you're hunting through the standard settings menu in Telegram Desktop for a magic Disable Filtering button, you might notice it's not right there on the main panel. So how do you fix it from your computer? Simple. Use Telegram Web. Open up any web browser on your PC. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you prefer, and go to web.telegram.org. Log in using your phone number and punch in the confirmation code that gets sent straight to your active Telegram chats. Once you're logged into the web interface, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, go to Settings, and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see the Sensitive Content section and check the box that says Disable Filtering. Now, once you've ticked that box on the web version, your native desktop app might take a second to catch up. If the channels you want to view are still showing up as restricted, don't panic. Completely close out of the Telegram desktop app. Quit it from your system tray or task manager and reopen it. That forces the client to sync up with your updated account cloud settings, and boom, those blocks will be lifted across your entire desktop setup. And there you go. No more mystery blocks while you're trying to work or browse on your PC. If this quick walkthrough saved you some time, hit that like button, subscribe for more straightforward tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a guide on any other hidden Telegram settings. See ya!